Look up. Clouds are more than just sky decorations. They're nature's storytellers, painting the sky with ever-shifting patterns and colors. For centuries, people have gazed upward, finding comfort, inspiration, and even predicting the weather by watching the clouds drift by. Clouds shape our weather, provide cool shade on hot days, bring life-giving rain to thirsty fields, and even act as a cozy blanket, keeping Earth warm at night. Without clouds, our world would be a much harsher place. Every day, the sky puts on a new show. Sometimes it's dotted with cotton ball clouds, sometimes it's covered in a thick gray blanket, and other times, wild shapes spark our imagination. Some clouds look like animals, castles, or even faces, inviting us to dream and wonder. But what are clouds, really? They're massive collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, floating high above us. Each cloud is a delicate balance of air, water, and temperature, constantly shifting and changing as the wind blows. Clouds are the visible part of the water cycle, moving water from ground to sky and back again. When water evaporates from lakes, rivers, or oceans, it rises into the air, cools, and forms clouds, eventually falling back to Earth as rain or snow. Next time you're outside, try spotting shapes in the clouds, science and imagination side by side. It's a simple joy that connects us to nature and to each other, no matter where we are in the world. These ever-changing forms inspire wonder and reveal secrets about our planet's climate. By studying clouds, scientists learn about weather patterns, climate change, and even how to predict storms. So next time you look up, remember, clouds are more than just pretty shapes. They're a vital part of Earth's story. Let's discover how these fluffy marvels form. Have you ever wondered how water manages to reach the sky, defying gravity and beginning its incredible journey above us? It all begins with a process called evaporation, when the sun's powerful rays warm the surface of oceans, lakes, and even tiny puddles. The water molecules gain energy and transform into invisible vapor, rising up into the air. But the story doesn't end there. Plants play a vital role too. Through a process known as transpiration, they release water vapor from tiny pores in their leaves, adding even more moisture to the atmosphere. Oceans, rivers, and vast forests all contribute to this upward movement of water vapor, each acting as a source that fuels the never-ending water cycle on our planet. Even though you can't see this vapor with your eyes, it's constantly rising all around us, drifting upward from every surface warmed by the sun. Without the magic of evaporation, clouds would never form, and our skies would remain empty and blue, missing the ever-changing shapes we see above. The sun is the driving force behind this transformation, providing the energy that launches water on its remarkable journey skyward, day after day. That invisible vapor, rising silently and steadily, is the essential ingredient for every cloud, setting the stage for rain, storms, and the endless cycle of water on Earth. Warm air rises, carrying water vapor up like a hot air balloon. As it climbs, the air expands and cools, about 1 degree Celsius for every 100 meters. Birds like hawks ride these rising columns, called thermals, just like the air that forms clouds. The higher the air goes, the colder it gets, setting the stage for cloud creation. This cooling is crucial. It's what triggers the next step in the cloud's journey. The invisible vapor is about to transform, thanks to the chill of the upper atmosphere. Now, the real magic begins. As rising air cools to its dew point, water vapor condenses onto tiny particles, dust, pollen, or salt, forming billions of droplets. These droplets cluster together, creating the clouds we see. Puffy cumulus clouds, flat stratus blankets, and wispy cirrus streaks all form this way. Rain clouds get the word nimbus in their name, like cumulonimbus for thunderstorms or nimbus stratus for steady rain. The shape and color of clouds reveal what's happening in the atmosphere. Each cloud type tells a story about temperature, altitude, and weather to come. That's the science behind the sky's ever-changing art. Deep within the heart of clouds, countless tiny water droplets are in constant motion, swirling and drifting on invisible air currents. As they move, these droplets frequently collide and merge, growing larger with each encounter. This mesmerizing dance of droplets is a crucial part of the water cycle, setting the stage for what comes next. Over time, these droplets become heavier and heavier, until gravity finally overcomes the upward push of the air. That's when they tumble down to earth as rain, snow, or hail, each form shaped by the temperature and conditions within the cloud. In powerful thunderstorms, strong updrafts can lift droplets high into the coldest parts of the cloud, where they freeze and grow into hailstones. These updrafts toss the droplets up and down, allowing them to collect more layers of ice with each trip, creating the multi-layered hailstones that sometimes fall to the ground. It's astonishing to realize that a single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds, packed with water droplets suspended high above us. Yet, despite their immense weight, rising air currents keep these droplets afloat, balancing the forces of gravity and lift, until the droplets become too heavy to stay aloft. When precipitation finally falls, it marks the return of water to the Earth's surface, replenishing rivers, lakes, and soil. This water nourishes plants, sustains animals, and supports all life, completing the endless cycle that keeps our planet thriving. The journey of water, from ocean to sky to land and back again, is a never-ending process, quietly shaping our world every day. This cycle connects every part of our planet, linking oceans, clouds, and land in a beautiful, vital system. Clouds are nature's water transport system, delicate, powerful, and endlessly fascinating to watch as they drift across the sky. Science is everywhere. Just look up, and you'll see the wonders of the water cycle unfolding above you every single day.